Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into all the latest tips, tricks, and updates to help you get the most out of your social media. Today, we're going to walk through how to switch your Instagram account to a creator account, whether you're an influencer, a content creator, or just looking to get more out of Instagram. Switching to a creator account can open up a lot of opportunities, so let's get started. First, grab your phone and open Instagram. Make sure you've updated to the latest version of the app to access all the new features. Now go to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal bars. Scroll down until you find account types. Tap on it. Here you can see the option called switch to professional account. Click on it. Here, Instagram might give you a brief overview of what a professional account can do. Go ahead and tap continue to move through the screens. Here, you'll need to choose what best describes you. It can be artists, bloggers, or many more. Here, I'll be choosing digital creators options. Then tap on done. Now you'll be asked to choose between a creator or business account. For most content creators, influencers, and public features, the creator account is the way to go. So select creator, then tap continue. Now you'll have to choose or review your information. Make sure it's correct, then tap on next. And that's it. You're now the proud owner of an Instagram creator account. Switching to a creator account can really help elevate your presence on Instagram and give you access to tools that can improve how you connect with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and share this video with your friends.